Right now, from the Room to Room Weather Center, here's Mississippi's Chief Meteorologist, Matt Lobhon.
Rain showers remain light overnight but become more widespread on Friday. I'm Chief Meteorologist Matt Lobhon. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live Weather. No severe weather with our rain chances on Friday, but they do become fairly widespread as we go toward the latter part of the day. Here's Futurecast. Again, showers initially in the overnight hours, fairly light, primarily south of US 82, maybe moderate rainfall at most. If you pick up overnight, golly, a tenth of an inch of rainfall, you're one of the lucky ones. Not a lot of us are going to pick up a quarter of an inch or anything like that. And even total on this event, an inch of rainfall is going to be on the high end. You can see more of that rain starting to arrive by noontime, 1 to 2 o'clock, especially south of US 82. But notice it's all green. Notice we're not talking about any sort of storms or things like that. Though some rumbles possible late in the day, no severe weather. Mid-50s in the Delta to begin the day, 57 in Greenville and Belzona. Coming around 50 degrees, though, for Bruce and Tupelo, and some upper 40s out there. More of those upper 40s probably on the way by Saturday and Sunday morning. Upper 60s to maybe mid-60s out there for your high temperatures on Friday. And as we look at that 7-day forecast there, by Saturday, it's going to be dropping temperatures. Again, rain chances probably reach their peak Friday evening. Some rumbles mix in, no severe weather, heaviest south of US 82, but they do spread about 50 to 60% through the area. We're looking at the rain chances on Saturday out of here pretty early on. We're dry Sunday, and that gets temperatures down into the low 40s to begin early Sunday morning, low 70s by Sunday high, and then warming up as we head to Monday, Tuesday, and next week with more storm chances possible by the middle part of the week. Maybe some stronger thunderstorms there. One of the things we've been monitoring the last few days and continue to monitor here in the Room to Room Weather Center as we closed out April and work our way into the month of May. Thank you so much for your support. Download our apps for iOS, Android, and of course, just search for Mississippi Live and any one of your smart TV platforms.
At Vibe Aesthetics and Wellness, we believe confidence isn't just how you look, it's how you feel. From subtle, natural aesthetics to personalized wellness care, everything we do is intentional. This is beauty with purpose. At Vibe Men's Health, we take that same approach. We focus on what matters most: strength, energy, and performance. Built on real data, real medicine, and real results, we're here to help you look better, feel stronger, and live fully. Come vibe with us today.